Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a special unboxing video. Ladies and gentlemen, I just did an unboxing of my last Temu order, and originally I had this special unboxing at the end of that, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna make it a separate video because she deserves. Now I want to move on to the order that I received from a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Elaina. I will put her channel. She has at least 2 channels. She might have 3. She might have 3 YouTube channels. I'm gonna put all of them. I'm gonna put a picture of all of them up. Her name is Elaina, but her shop is called LAI'S Little Shop, and she sells all kind of items on there. These are wax melts, I believe. I'm gonna show you them in just a second. So I bought some wax melts and stuff. She is very good at her craft. Y'all need to check out her website. Check out her videos. I think she has some videos that show like how she makes something. Now y'all, I'm gonna tell you, so I got these wax melts and stuff, but she has she also does like quilts, and she crochets and stuff like that. And y'all, she have this full length, it's like a full length crochet coat. She actually modeled it on her website. Y'all, I saw that, I was like, yeah, I have to have that. Why am I struggling with the box, y'all? Why am I struggling with the box? So I want to get these wax melts and stuff first. And see, look, thank you for supporting my small business. Y'all see that? Of course, Elaina, of course. I want to open this up, y'all. But yeah, I got these wax melts and stuff like that, but I'm want to get that full length coat. Oh, look at this, y'all. Oh, look. This says, in the top, it says, love it, brag about it, snap and share. Look at that. Now, y'all know I'm only on YouTube, so I don't have any other, platforms, but this is Instagram, Facebook. Of course, she's on YouTube. Y'all look it up, LAI'S Little Shop. And let me see, it has a card. I'm not going to read the card because I don't know what it says, so I'm not going to say it, but anyway, you know, hi Healy, she thanking me for the purchase, and your friend Elaina. So thank you, I appreciate that. I am gonna read this off camera. I'm gonna read it off camera, y'all. All right, so I have my order. I got my order form, LAI'S Little Shop, and ooh, blueberry cheesecake hearts. I got the mahogany antique wood clamshell. And I got citrus odor eliminator hearts. Y'all know I told y'all I like citrus, especially when it comes for cleaning. And it's LAI'S Little Shop. It says thank you for shopping with us. And then it has the address, the email, and the website address. Ooh, y'all, this smell good. This smell good already. Now look at this, y'all. Look how it's packaged. You can see, you know, from the side, but look how it's packaged. I like that. Y'all, this smells so good. And it says pretty things inside. If you can see that, you might not be able to, but it says pretty things inside. And you look, and you I spilled it. All right, y'all, I spilled it. Ooh, some little samples. So cherry bomb. Ooh, this smells good. And this is strawberry cheesecake. Now this is extra samples. Oh, and some earrings. Oh, y'all, look, earrings. So blue heart earrings. And then, oh, some turtles. Now, y'all know I'm gonna wear these. I love animals and stuff like that. So some earrings. Y'all look at that. Check it out. And please check out her website. She has all kind of stuff. First thing, this is mahogany antique wood. And it is scented soy blend wax melts. So this is the first one, and let's just open it up. Oh, y'all. Oh, yes. Yeah. And I wanted something. I was looking through the scents and stuff that she had available, and I was like, I want something that smells kind of like strong and masculine and kind of, you know, woo. So I said mahogany and teak wood. I was like, yeah, I think so. And you can see it's 6, so you can break it off into 6 pieces. Let's just take out this smell, see? And you can see the 6 pieces. And this is a nice size too. This is a nice size. So again, this is the mahogany and teak wood, y'all, and it smells so good. It smells, it smells clean and fresh, but it smells like like what you want your man, like your man about to come home, and you know what, let me go ahead, let me close this one up tight. Let me close this one up tight, y'all. Mahogany and teak wood. Check it out. I also got, this is blueberry cheesecake, scented soy blend wax melts, and these are the hearts. So I got these. So she has different shapes also. Different shapes, different sizes. That's a clamshell. These are the hearts. And oh yeah, it is sealed. Oh, hold on. I think I need my scissors, y'all. Wait, hold on. All right. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Look. All right. So again, this is the blueberry cheesecake. And these are the hearts. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. It smells good like already. I could just imagine how it's gonna smell when I put the heat to it and melt it. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Let's open up the next thing. These are also hearts. This is the citrus odor eliminator. And again, I need my scissors. And y'all know how I am. I like when stuff be sealed. And you can tell nobody been digging their grubby hands in it. It is sealed and you have to cut it open. And since I cut all my nails off, it's taking me a little while to get in the bag, but y'all be patient with me. Oh yes, this, look, I'm holding it up like I want you to smell it. But these, they smell like this is what I would want to burn in my kitchen. Or in my bathroom, like after I finish cleaning up. This is, yeah, yep, I like this. I'm trying to put this flat so I can show it to you again. All right, and this is the citrus odor eliminator. It smells very lemony, very fresh. It smells like you just finished cleaning your house, but it doesn't smell like chemical fake lemon. It smells like real fresh lemons, like the ones that I have on my tree outside. Not only does she do wax melts, and then I showed you here some samples of her earrings, she does keychains. And y'all, look at this. Look at this. So this is the Afro keychain. This is blue. Now this is immediately, I'm gonna find some way to get this and start using this right away. Look at that, y'all. Look at that craftsmanship. And you can tell, you can see the Afro, you can see the face. You can see the eyelashes. Y'all see that? You can see the eyelashes. You can see the nose, the mouth. Yes, this is beautiful. I like this. So I have this keychain. Then the last thing, y'all. This, so I really wanted this. I really wanted this, y'all. Look at this. Look at that. This is a hair pick. Obviously, y'all see that, but it's the Afro puff. So the Afro puff, and you can see like the side view. And then you see the combs. Now this is for you to wear in your hair. This is not for you to like try to comb your hair with it, but this is for you to wear in your hair. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna find some kind of way to wear this in my hair, y'all. But this, look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, y'all. Look at this craftsmanship. I like the sparkly. I like the blue. I like it. And the combs, it actually have teeth. I can't hold this up right, but it's not like it's molded all together. These are individual teeth. You can see that. So when you put it in your hair, it's actually gonna stay. I will probably put my hair up in a puff like this and then stick the comb like in the front. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, y'all, but I'm gonna do it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is my purchase from Lay's Little Shop by Elaina, fellow YouTuber. Make sure you check out her website. Make sure you check out her YouTube channels. Check out her videos, see what she have going on. And y'all, go ahead, support your girl. Get some wax melts. They have hearts. They have clamshells. I think she has other shapes and designs and sizes. She has jewelry. She have keychains. And she also have hair accessories. And probably even some more stuff. And I'm telling y'all, I'm going to get my pennies together and I'm going to get that crochet coat. And I believe it have a hood on it, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to go back to the website and I'm going to put a picture up so you can see what it is I'm talking about. And it is full length. I think she also have just a jacket size one, but she have the full length one, and that's the one I want. Even though it doesn't get necessarily that cold like that, but you know, that's something comfortable to wear around the house. Almost like a robe. So y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, but I have to have it. As soon as I saw it and I saw her model it, I was like, I have to have it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell, like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.